Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury transportation with a vehicle that redefines the concept of a van. Get ready to be amazed by the epitome of comfort and style, the ultimate luxury van. Imagine a space on wheels that rivals the opulence of a private jet. That's exactly what this luxury van offers. The interior is a masterpiece of design, featuring premium materials, handcrafted details, and a color palette that exudes sophistication. Plush leather seating, ambient lighting, and advanced climate control create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. This van isn't just about luxury, it's a technological marvel. Expect to find a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity features. A premium audio system will deliver crystal-clear sound, transforming the van into a mobile concert hall. Rest and relaxation are paramount in this luxury van. Reclining seats, footrests, and even massage functions create a spa-like experience on the go. Some models may even offer amenities like a mini bar, coffee maker, and a dedicated workspace. While luxury is the focus, performance isn't compromised. Powerful engines ensure a smooth and quiet ride, even when fully loaded. Advanced suspension systems and noise isolation technology create a serene driving experience. Many luxury vans offer features that extend the living experience beyond the vehicle. Pop-up roofs, outdoor kitchens, and entertainment systems can transform the van into a mobile home for unforgettable adventures. The ultimate luxury van is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary. It's a statement of wealth, taste, and a desire for the finer things in life. With its blend of opulence, technology, and comfort, this van redefines the concept of luxury travel. What would your dream luxury van look like? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury lifestyle content.